Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to record calls in Realme Note 50 device. For this, all you guys have to do just go to call logs and here you see three dot option. So just click on three dots. After that, go to settings and then scroll it down. As you guys see, we have an option of call recording. So just click on call recording and then first of all set delete recording to after 30 to never, so that your recording will not be deleted. After that, we have option of automatically record unknown numbers, so just turn it on. So now if you have any call from unknown number, your call will be recorded. After that, click here automatically record these numbers and then enable it so that all the calls of your contact will be recorded, and then choose the contact and select those contact to which you want to record the call. I am selecting any number from here, and then now if this contact number called me anytime, the call will be recorded. So this is how we can enable call recording option in Realme Note 50 device. And make sure your recorded audio will be saved in your file manager to record to audio option. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.